Hey you guys. Excuse me. Hey you guys. Today we're going to talk about division and dividing with fractions in particular. Now this is going to seem a little confusing at first, but I think this video will help you understand it more clearly. So the key is to remember that division means how many groups can you take out of something? How many times can you take something away? So for example, if I have 3, let's call them candy bars, and I want to take away, I'm going to even point out that the division symbol sort of looks like the subtraction sign. I want to take away over and over again 1/4. This question is asking you, how many 1/4 can you take away from 3, right? We're going to try and break 3 apart into factors, right? Basically, how many times can you take 1/4 away from 3? And before we look at the algorithm, let's take a look at a model, right? So you might see here that we have 3 candy bars, 1, 2, 3. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw another version of them, right? And this is important. We're going to talk about drawing models here. So a model might look like this. I'm going to draw another candy bar. And I'm going to try to make them about the same size, right? I'm going to draw another candy bar. And I'm going to draw another candy bar. And what I'm going to try and do with this model is see, right, again, how many fourths I can take away, from 3. So I'm going to start cutting these into fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So I think you'll agree, if you look at the red, that this was 3 candy bars, but they've been cut up into fourths. So here I can see 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, and I can just keep counting. 5/4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 fourths, right? So the answer to this question mark is 12. And it's not 12 fourths, which seems like it should be, right? I mean, it seems like, oh, we're counting fourths, how we have 12 of them. But remember, the question was how many, okay? How many? And the answer to that, how many, is 12. So to take a look at the algorithm, what we're going to do is we're going to say, we're going to write everything as a fraction just like we have before, right? So that we can start to do the math. And then here's the trick. In order to see this 3 cut into 4 parts or turned into 4 parts each, we need to flip this thing over, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this 1/4 into 4/1. That's called its reciprocal. We call it flip. And this division sign, we're also going to flip over because now you can see that, oh, I have 3 groups of 4, right? You can see the 3 groups of 4 right here. That's 12. 12/1. And that, of course, simplifies to 12. So this model, which is what's important here, is to sort of draw your original number and then draw your new number that's split up. Okay.